Now stay the fuck out of shit.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Who chewed the headset?
Do you think you're in the mood for a walk? Are you in the mood for a walkie?
Officer, how you doing? Sir. Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir, Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
What?
Did you do? You're a monster!
Get to another level with the iconic chocolate of Hershey's Kisses.
Hey, don't chew on his tail, Holly.